Hey guys, welcome back to my 34th Python tutorial, and today I'm going to talk more about writing, specifically writing specific lines, or editing rather. So here I have this note file here, and I have 3 lines. I am index 0, second line here, this is index -1. So we have 3 lines here, so let's say we want to edit this line. Um, how you would do this overall would be basically create a reading object and then read the entire file and put it into a list, edit the list, and then create a new writing object and write those lines into this file and then save it. So how will we do it? First, let's create a file object, and then we're gonna have a reading object here. So we're gonna be C tutorial. Don't forget the txt, and then create our reading object. Now let's create a list of all lines, if you know what I mean. So I don't know, file list. So this list will contain all the lines of this file as elements in the list. File object dot read lines. Read lines will basically read through the entire thing. So when you do this, voila. So we have index 0, second line here, and index -1. So we have these 3 lines, and now we're going to edit them. So file list, let's edit first index, which is the second line, and set it equal to, I don't know, I don't know, I like ice cream. I want ice cream so badly. Now, file list, so, oh wait, I forgot to do something, and this is a common mistake. So what I missed was basically, you see this /n, this is enter, and I forgot to put it there. So if I don't put it there, these 2 lines are gonna be on the same line. So I like ice cream, and I'm gonna do this. Should have this /n now. Okay, so now we're gonna change this object to, oh wait, I made a big mistake here. So this is normally not, what you do normally, what you should be doing normally, but I made a mistake and didn't put comma, uh, double quote R, so make sure you don't forget that. Well, I'm gonna create this to I'm writing now. So put W, and then now all you have to do is file object dot write lines. This will basically write all the lines in this list into the file. And if you wanted to write only 1 line, then you would have write, not write line, because that wouldn't really make sense, would it? Because there already is write. Anyways, so write file list, and then close to finish the operation. And now when I reload this file, we should have I like ice cream, like this. So, well, that was your quick tutorial on how to edit specific lines with writing objects in Python. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one.